How's it going, everyone? I'm Amin, your local GTA realtor here in Oakville, Ontario, showing you guys a listing at 206 Jessie, Caverhill Passage. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful 2-car garage, 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom. It's got a plenty amount of space as well as a unique size lot. Let's go take a look. Here at the start, you have your office, which could also be used as a bedroom. Beautiful amount of space. Here we're bringing ourselves into the living room slash dining room. From the living room slash dining room, we're going into the open concept kitchen. We have beautiful granite countertops, as you can see here, new appliances, and you also have your breakfast nook right here, going into another family room where you can enjoy time with your family. All right, guys, so let's take you out to the backyard. This is the biggest lot in the area, so check this out. Beautiful stone tiles here. Lots of room to enjoy time with the family. You have enough room to put patio tables, really make this your own oasis. You can obviously make it to your likings, add a pool, add some more space, do some gardening, add flowers, but really the potential is endless. So let's come on in here again. We're here on the second floor. We have 5 bedrooms. Each bedroom has a bathroom. So let's take a look right here. This room actually is attached to a Jack and Jill. Coming on this way, we'll go through the bathroom. We have a double sink. Everyone has their own sink. Everyone has their own space. We have a closet here, and this is the second bedroom. And then we're gonna come over here to the third bedroom. And on these sides, they have all their private washrooms. So coming on here, we have the bed, and we also have the washroom over here. So follow me. This is the master bedroom. We'll get there to a second. Their own ensuite bathroom here. And then the room attaching to it. Amazing space, amazing place to enjoy. Welcome to the master bedroom. Take a look at the size of this room. It's enormous. We have a walk-in closet. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom in a second, but check out this nice little addition here. Beautiful balcony. Overlooks the backyard. Enjoy time outside, have coffee, read a book. Really, the choices are endless. Check out this bathroom here. Finished beautifully. You have an awesome ceramic bathtub here, a double shower, and also a double vanity sink here. Let's check out the rest of the home. This is where you can spend some private time with the family. Enjoy. This is kind of away from everyone else in case you just want to have your own private area to enjoy. To your left right here, to my left, your right, is the bathroom as well as another balcony. Also show you guys the garage. So here you can actually make a duplex. You can also have this completed. You can use this as a second entrance in case you're looking for a rental income property where you live on the top floors and you rent out the basement. You can also use it for family as well in case they're here to stay. And this is just the double car garage. So there we have it, guys. 206 Jessie, Caverhill Passage, Oakville, the preserved neighborhood. Honestly, this house is amazing. If you wanted to have a showing, let us know, call us, text us, whatever it may be. 5 bedrooms, 6 bathroom. You can make it a 7-bedroom house if needed. The basement has amazing potential. It has a walkout side where you can make a rental income out of it. Really, the potential is endless. Amazing lot. It's unique. It's the biggest in the area. So when you do come in this home, you will realize why this is the place to be. So there we have it, guys, the end of our tour for 206 Jessie, Caverhill. If you have any questions, please let us know. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Call this number if you have any questions. This is Team Feras Riyal, Oakville, Ontario, and we'll see you at the next house.